Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar. I would like to thank you for being here and congratulate you for taking the first step towards your career and a financial goal. So, for those of you who don't know me yet, was new here, allow me to introduce myself. I am Merced. I am a digital content creator. I am a wife. I'm a mama of two lovely kids. I'm a coffee fanatic. I love cappuccino. I love latte. And I am passionate about seeing other online entrepreneurs succeed, especially for those who are stay-at-home moms just like me. Siguro andito ka because you want something more out of life. May gusto kang ma-achieve, may gusto kang explore. Maybe it's something to do with freedom. Gusto mo ng financial, time, and location freedom. Or maybe it's number two, creativity. You are a creative person, you have talents, you have skills, and you want to make use of that. Or maybe because you want to build and grow a scalable business. So, whatever it is that's driving you here right now, and you think you want to start your digital product business, then I'm telling you, now is the right time to start. So, why should you start now? First, digital commerce has a projected total transaction value of 7.63 trillion US dollars in 2024. Tapos, yung expected annual growth niya is 7.89%, which means by year 2028 is magiging 10.34 trillion dollars na siya yung projected value niya. So, meaning to say, there is a demand. So, you have to start now, I'm telling you, and be a part of this multi-billion or trillion-dollar industry. So, before you proceed, allow me to tell you more about myself. So, 13 years ago, I think, I used to be part of real estate industry, specializing in rentals. So, ayan ako, nagmamaning dyan. I was part of Filipino Homes, very sikat ito na real estate agency or company in the Philippines. And then, fast forward 3 years later, um, nabuntis ako, nanganak, so I had to step back from the real estate and I had to let my sister take over. Ito yung sister ko yung nakakarga sa anak ko para mag-focus sa family ko kasi gusto kong mapagmasdan o masubaybayan yung milestones nila. So, that means I was staying at home, but then ako yung tao na gusto ko na mayroon akong sarili kong income even though afford naman ng asawa ko na hindi ako magtrabaho. So, I ventured into e-commerce. That's when I started selling bags. Ito yung very first products ko. And then eventually, nag-expand ako. So, yan yung ginagawa ko since 2017 until 2023 last year. But then, after the pandemic realized we had to make a decision, we decided to move here in the UK kung nasaan ako ngayon kasi taga dito yung asawa ko. So, that made me explore into the digital product business. So, yan, nagsimula ako kasi syempre, I have to look after my kids. I have my duty and responsibility as a mother. So, while at home, mayroon akong pinagkakakitaan kasi yun naman talaga yung gusto ko. I have the freedom to work anytime and anywhere that I want. Gusto ko rin yung wala akong boss, yung ako yung control sa sarili ko. So, kung ikaw rin ba gusto mong kumita ng passive income through digital products by utilizing your social media accounts? So, I'm pretty sure you spend every day kakascroll ng social media accounts, so maybe TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. So, why not, instead of being a consumer, why not utilize it and then make your social media platforms or accounts a money-making machine, di ba? Maganda po ba yan? I'm pretty sure it is. So, ano ba yung digital marketing? So, digital marketing is a form of marketing that leverages the internet and digital technologies such as computers and mobile devices to connect with customers. So, taking advantage of the internet, of the technology. Ayan. So, ano naman yung digital product? So, digital product is any product, intangible goods. That means hindi mo siya nahahawakan na ginagawa, distribute, and consumed in a digital format. So, usually, it is being delivered electronically. So, that means ginagawa o binibenta siya online at binibili siya online. So, why sell digital product versus physical goods? So, selling digital products has got a lot of advantages. Number one is low overhead cost. So, wala kang inventory at wala kang shipping na binabayaran. Number two, high profit margins. So, there's no recurring cost of goods kasi nga, hindi mo siya ulit-ulit na mina-manufacture or wala kang cost to have another stock kumbaga. So, you retain the majority of the sales in the profits. Number three is potential to automate. So, orders can be delivered instantly with no oversight. So, hindi mo na kailangang minamanage siya once na-establish mo na yung automation. And number four is potential passive income. So, dahil you only create the product once, but then you can sell them repeatedly to different customers without needing to replenish inventory or deal with order fulfillment, then that means even when you sleep, may income ka. Number five, flexibility. So you can work from home, you can work anywhere and anytime you want. So you're not bound with location. And then next, global reach or market. So no matter where you are in the world, or no matter anywhere in the world, pwede mong pagbintahan ng products mo kasi easy lang yung fulfillment kumbaga. You just need to send them electronically or na-automate na siya. So that means you don't need to ship the products. Get started fast. So kahit sino pwedeng magawa ng digital product. So hindi mo na kailangang may tindahan ka pa, hindi mo na kailangang may inventory, and hindi mo na kailangang mag-hire ng mga tao. So in short, very minimal yung investment na required. Next is guaranteed demand. So, as I've mentioned earlier, as I have shown you earlier, there is a growing demand of the digital products. Ano naman yung samples ng mga digital products? So, we have templates, yung mga ginagamit na mga social media people. There's trackers, journals, ebooks, BC books sa mga bata, presets sa mga photographers, online courses, just like this one, stock photos or videos, mobile application, software, and many more. So you will learn all of this inside that course. How to get started with this digital product creation course. Enrolling this course, you will learn everything that you need to learn, the step-by-step process in creating and selling digital products. So there are 12 modules with over 50 videos. So makikita nyo yung lahat ng modules sa ibaba, tapos yung mga topics na being covered inside the course. So this is a pre-recorded training. So that means not one-on-one. The videos or the lessons are already pre-recorded. So that means you get to learn at your own pace. So no matter where you are, pwede mo siyang panuorin anytime you want. So if, for example, if you are too busy today, then you will have time tomorrow, then you can watch it. You can watch the videos at your most convenient time. With this course, you will learn how to first market your digital products effectively. Next is automate the business so that you can earn even in your sleep. Next, generate sales by utilizing your social media accounts. Next is price your digital products correctly. You will know the standards. Next is maximize usage of AI for your digital products to increase productivity. O, di ba? And then the very pinaka gusto ko talaga is yung creating your own funnel. Because you know what? Creating a funnel or having a funnel is very expensive. Ang mahal-mahal po. Nag-enroll ako ng course for creating a funnel and it's cost me over 10,000 pesos. And if you are to hire someone to create a funnel, mahal din po siya. Well, depende sa funnel na pinapagawa mo, but it can range up to like 1,000 to 10,000 US dollars. So, ganun po siya ka-mahal. Alright, so next is, paano ka ba kikita? Well, first is, you can resell this course and or the products that come with the course na mayroong MRR or Master Resale Rights o di kaya yung PLR or Private Label Rights. So you will learn more on this later on. And then, ang kagandahan nito is you will be able to keep 100% of the profit. So, you don't have to share your sales or your profit to anybody else. You keep it to yourself. Sayong-sayo na lahat. Then is, you get to resell the done-for-you products. So, done-for-you products, ito yung mga products na hindi ikaw mismo yung gumagawa, kundi ready na siya to sell. So, it's related to the first one. So, as long as the product or products come with MRR or PLR, then you can resell them. So, if wala kang time mag-create ng sarili mong products or hindi mo pa masyadong kabisado, then you can do this route. And the next is create your own digital products through the lessons that you will learn inside of the course. So once you finish the lesson and then you get to apply the learnings there, you will be able to create your own product, then you can sell them. Right. So this is not a multi-level marketing or network marketing. This is not a Ponzi scheme. You don't have to recruit. Wala kang upline, wala kang downline, wala kang pag-sharean ng iyong kita. Your profit or your earnings will be solely for yourself lang. Okay. So, explore natin yung potential income nito. Say, for example, you just want to resell this course and nothing else. You don't want to create your own product. You don't want to resell any other products but just this course. So, say, for example, ibebenta mo siya sa price na nabili mo, which is 2,999 pesos. So, sa first sale mo pa lang is ROI ka na, return of investment, bawi ka na. But say, for example, in a day, you have 2 sales. So, yung daily sale mo is 2,999 times 2 equals 5,998. So, that means in a month, you will have 179,940 pesos. So, let's just say, conservative tayo, isa lang sa isang araw. So, we have to divide this by 2. So, mayroon pa rin tayong almost 90,000 pesos. Hindi na masama, di ba? Mas malaki na siya sa karamihang sinasahod na mga employee dyan sa Pinas. O, di ba? Kaya itong talagang side hustle na ito, pwede siyang pamalit sa regular na 9 to 5 job nyo. I'm telling you. Again, those the thing that I've shown you is just an example. Okay? Still, the results will vary according to your effort and time na invest mo sa business na ito. So, again, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a legit business wherein you really need to put time and effort sa simula pa lang. And then, eventually, once ma-establish mo na yung business mo, once system is in place, then mas madali na lang siya and lesser na yung effort and time na required niya. You enroll in this course because you want to gain knowledge, you want to learn the skill. And with that earnings will follow once you apply the learnings. What if, sabihin niyo, oh, I don't have prior experience. Very newbie ako nito. Don't you worry because this is beginner friendly. So, you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't have to have experience sa digital marketing or sa online business or any other business. You can start with having no experience at all. Next is, oh, I don't have laptop or desktop. So actually, some of the students natin is mobile phones lang din yung ginagamit nila. But still, if possible, mas recommended talaga natin yung mayroon tayong laptop or using the laptop or desktop for the best user experience. So, ang course na ito ay para sa first, mga students na gusto magkaroon ng income to support their study. And then, stay-at-home moms just like me. So, yung mga mommies dyan na gustong kumikita while still having time to look after their kiddos, being a wife. So, ayan. And then, for employees, so those employees na gustong magkaroon ng side hustle, extra income, and maybe eventually, transition na din into being a full-time digital product business owner, o di ba? And then, pwede din ito sa mga business owners or entrepreneurs na mayroong mga existing business. Tapos gustong mag-add ng ganitong klaseng business. Basically, this is for anyone who wants side hustle, who wants extra income, and passive income most especially. So what you will get when you enroll in this course? So you will have lifetime access to the course with MRR or master resale rights, and then you get to keep 100% of profit. As I've said earlier, the sale of your product will be yours alone. Wala kang sharean ng mga profit or ng mga sales mo. Next is we have built-in webinar. Just like this one, in the system, may built-in webinar na tayo. But then if you want to make your own, then that will be your like template already. That will be your guide. Next is we have built-in funnel website. Just like this page, mayroon na din tayong built-in, but if you want to customize it, then you may do so. But then ang kagandahan niyan is you don't have to start from scratch. Okay, next, lifetime access to the community. So, mayroon po tayong community na we can ask support also. Next is you will have personal guidance and help from me. And also, we have free digital products. Ang dami nating freebies. Right, so ito yung makukuha nyo ng mga free natin. May Canva Template Starter Kit. Ito yung mga suggested price niya. Like now 195 pesos. We have mock-up templates, self-care planner, digital product planner, personal growth planner, habit tracker, 100 digital product ideas, ebooks bundle, ebook templates, 92 pages of editable carousel templates, and we have 200 digital mock-up contents and listing, profitable digital product ideas, brand brochure, social media content. For personal use, we have 500 hooks for content and reels, Instagram strategies, TikTok strategies, Faceless social media, TikTok marketing ebook guide, and all those is nagkakalaga ng more than 3,000 pesos. So, wow. No, di ba? So, magkano po mag-enroll sa course na to? So, ito pa yung total course value niya, 30,000 pesos. But of course, we're not selling this or you're not gonna pay 30,000 pesos for the course. Not even 50% of that, which is 15,000 pesos. But rather, we are offering you for a limited time 2,999 pesos only. So that's a very massive discount na po. So, ang tanong, is it worth it? Well, I want you to picture yourself few months from now. Imagine earning 5 to 6 digits monthly income. You don't have to trade your time for money. Hindi mo na kailangang pumunta sa trabaho to have your 9 to 5 job and you have to suffer from daily commute and tapos nakipagbakbakan sa traffic. Imagine being your own boss and you can work anytime you want, anywhere you are. Imagine having time, financial, and location freedom. Wouldn't it be great? I think you know the answer to that. So you have two options. First is save your 2,909 pesos and figure everything out by yourself through trial and error, thus potentially wasting your time and delaying your success. Number two is you can invest your 2,909 pesos, 99 pesos, and make your digital product business journey easier and success faster. Imagine this. Bumibili ka ng flat pack furniture na kailangan i-assemble. Imagine if walang manual paano i-assemble. Anong mangyayari? Kung mayroon ngang manual na fina-follow, minsan it will take us a few hours to assemble the thing. But imagine kung walang manual na susundan. How frustrating would it be? How long would it take us to complete the task? And how frustrating is it that you have to do trial and error, and sometimes you have to do things over and over again just because my step or process ka na skip, 'di ba? You will be wasting a lot of effort and time for that. So, good news is, with this course, you don't have to go through that because ito yung magiging manual mo. Ito yung step-by-step guide, thus saving you ample of time and effort. Plus, you will have a support from our community and a guidance from me. So, how to enroll? If using PayPal, i-click mo lang yung enroll button dyan sa page na ito, and then you will be redirected to the order form page. But if you want to use bank transfer or GCash, then this is my details. So you just have to send a screenshot, proof of payment to my Instagram or Facebook account that you will see later on. So, legit ba ito? So, ito yung mga testimonials natin inside the group. So, you can also read this below. And we have many more. So, if you can see, we have 10,114 members sa ating community, and you will see a lot of testimonials also inside the group. So, if you have any questions and clarifications, if you want to send a proof of payment, dito lang sa FB page natin, MSM Digital Works, or sa ating Instagram, same handle pa rin. So, congratulations for making this to the end, and I'm so excited to see you inside. I can't wait to see you there and read your testimonials inside the community. So, thank you so much, and see you!